bacungira ku kibuga cy'indege ngo bose aho bamubona bari muri 30s 30. Nshaka ndenya kubana nitwa Mackenzie.
Do you have any ideas for?
Yeah,
je mu Budage ni icyumba cyanjye. Nshaka kujya mu cyumba cyanjye. Haruguru kuri usanga hafi n'ikibuga cy'indege ari hoteli. Banza guca muri hoteli ahindura style. Ndabanza ubwanwa maraho. Nabo mwosha bwose abo maranya nuko mwosha. Nuko mwosha. Arabanza arabumwosha arangije maniga. Ahita yanirongora yigira Mariye. Kamari imeta rwose. Kandi utubuzi. Sergeant Palma. Koro Palma urakerewe hakuno. Kumbedo. Maniga aragera yihindura kuri taramumenya. Umutipe murayiboga umutipe muza cyane. Taye Sankara. Ava yitonze. Na confidence nyinshi cyane.
Hi.
Muraho.
Marrakesh the next.
Awametikijya muri Marrakesh.
Passport.
Ikikurikirana passport yanjye. Ngirira vuba.
He's got some he's had some psychological problems.
Ati rwose nagiye nkurikirana umugenzi wacu arafite ibibazo byo mu mutwe, psychological problems.
PTSD.
Yeah, maybe you're
cyane.
Disenchantment. He volunteered to stay in Afghanistan apparently.
Umva uyu mugenzi wacu yagiye muri Afghanistan. Ajya kwakorera.
The lads at the base said that he was mad for it.
Usibye ko baje kwakira amakuru ko yageze gusara. Sasa wa mugabo major wavuye hano wari uyoboye operation wageze kujya trauma ari muri Afghanistan waza gusara. Bimwe generali arabatira ngo akabaye watangiye akazi. Utatubwe bitewe n'ihungabana avanye muri Afghanistan.
You know this guy?
No, uyu muntu uramuzi?
No, I've never seen him before.
Yes, nigeze mbona kuva na mbere.
Him.
Ariko uyu wenda muzi.
Rahim.
Yitwa Rahim.
He was Major Trance's interpreter.
Ati yari umusemuzi wa Major Tranta. Wa Major uyoboye operation ya kare.
The Major managed to get him and his whole family over here to...
Ati rwose yabaye umusemuzi wa Major bari muri Afghanistan. Major amuzezanya kumuryango we azawuzana mu Bwongereza.
Functions.
All right.
Araho bihuriye se.
Afghanistan.
Ibintu byose birigurira muri